Hello, my name is Amaris Woodson and I graduated from Stratford High School in 2013. I now attend Cazenovia College in Cazenovia, New York, where I study interior design. I became interested in the pre-engineering program through the Gateway course in middle school, where I was able to work hands-on with my classmates as well as develop an understanding of what engineering really was. I was excited every day to attend that class, and it kept me engaged and kept my attention to what I was learning. I participated in the pre-engineering program for 4 years. I enjoyed every single year of the program, but I have to say that my fourth class was my favorite because I was able to work collaboratively with my classmates on a huge project that is based off of the knowledge that I learned in the 3 classes before. I was really able to apply the aspects that I learned in the 3 classes, such as problem-solving skills, critical thinking skills, as well as developing my creativity. Personally, I didn't necessarily find the classes to be extremely challenging, although each class did progress in difficulty as the year went on. But everything you learn in the classes are important and necessary to succeed in any engineering field, even in the classes. As I stated before, I study interior design here at Cazenovia College, and I can say that the pre-engineering program definitely helped me decide what I wanted to study in college. Although interior design may not be directly related to the type of engineering you'll be learning about, such as mechanical engineering, the program definitely helped me develop a problem-solving mentality that any type of engineer needs. I was also involved with another program called ACE Mentoring, where I worked with professional architects and interior designers as well as other engineers related to those fields. And together we'd work on a year-long project that we'd eventually present to our families and friends and our teachers. And really through the projects, they take us through the process that they would go through to develop projects as their jobs. The ACE Mentoring program meant a lot to me because it helped me develop my presentation skills. I went in there being extremely shy and scared to present, but I left with a better confidence in presenting my ideas. Presenting is very important in college, and being able to develop presentation skills before I entered college was a great opportunity, and I'm very appreciative of the ACE Mentoring program and helping me gain confidence in presenting. Here at Cazenovia College, I am involved in clubs and sports. I do play Division III basketball here. I am a part of the music club as well as a Bible study. And it's really important to get involved in your community, even in your high school. And it's because you'll have the opportunity to really interact with others and become comfortable with others as well. So I just encourage you all to really consider joining the pre-engineering program. It's definitely a program that will help you develop the skills you need to succeed in any type of engineering field, any career that you choose, even in your college career, such as, like I stated before, presentation skills, something you'll definitely need in college. So I just encourage you all to enroll into this program, and if you choose to, I can guarantee that you'll be happy.